Thank you so much. Thank you 10,000 times, because today Dirt and Iron reached 10,000 subscribers. I'm super pumped and grateful to every single one of you guys and gals, 10,000 people who hit the button subscribe and became a part of a family. My channel started 18 months ago. It took me 10 months to reach 1,000 subscribers, and now it took 8 months to reach 10,000. So it's really growing, and I'm really grateful for all of that, and I'm happy to see all of you guys and all this community that is around the channel. It's really fun to watch it and really fun to be part of it, and to kind of do the videos and think about what you guys might be interested in, and what is my next video, my next move. I have some plans for the future. I hope the channel will grow more, and I will be able to bring a different content, something more interesting, something that maybe hasn't been done yet. Who knows? I have some ideas, so stick with the channel. Hopefully I will be able to bring them soon. As for now, thank you so much. Really appreciate every single one of you. Keep watching, keep clicking, like it or dislike it if you don't like it, but let me know why, so I can improve and see what can be changed. And for this video, at the end, I'm gonna show you some bloopers and some fails that I kind of gathered throughout the 18 months of the channel. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. Thanks again, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later. This is too bad. Can you shut it down? Okay, so let's try to jump something a little bit bigger. Pretty nice, huh? I really like that YouTube community and YouTube, people who are coming and creating around. Scooch down, put everything on you. Just go like this. Put it here. There you go. I don't even feel my back. All the lifting. All right. Yeah, sometimes happens. Idealnie turyści.